What's up guys, my name is Jimmy and welcome to a tutorial video on how to increase your FPS in Batman Arkham Knight. Now this is a PC tutorial. By default the game comes capped at 30 frames, which is honestly ridiculous. Maybe they were just trying to play it safe and they knew at 30 frames everyone's game would perform better, because I mean I've heard this game isn't optimized for PC too well, so maybe that was part of their plan of trying to kind of like counterbalance that. I don't know, that's just my assumption, but nonetheless let's show you how to actually fix this. What you want to do first, of course, is close the game if you have it open. You want to go to whatever hard drive you have your program files at. Go to program files, you want to go to Steam. Go down to Steam Apps. You want to go into Common. Go down to Batman Arkham Knight. Go into BM Game, Config, and now you're going to look for this right here, BM System Settings. Now before you make, this goes for any game, not only Batman, but for any game, before you make any changes to this, you want to make a backup. So just copy this file and paste it on your desktop. Just keep it there in case things go wrong. You always have a backup to put back in here. If things do go wrong, just delete this file in this folder, put the one on your desktop back in here. Everything should be just fine. So let's right click this, open with Notepad++. If you don't have Notepad++, you should have Notepad, any kind of text editor. You can use Sublime Text, whatever you have, whatever you like using. Let's edit with this. And basically, here's all the things inside the game. Now you can go through this and edit it as you like. I do caution you to be careful, because doing the wrong thing can break the game, and you'll have to restore this basically. So let's go down. About on line 30, you're gonna find max FPS. By default, you're gonna see yours is gonna be at 30. Go on and bump it up to 120. I don't recommend going over 120. You can if you want to. I mean, why not, right? 120 is a safe place to be. Now I have a GTX 970, so it's a pretty beast of a graphics card and it can handle this, but nonetheless bump it up to maybe 60, 120, maybe go higher than 120 if you want to. I don't really see a point for it, but you can if you want. Just hit Control S to save that, or go to File, Save. Just exit out. Now start up Batman and watch your frames go through the roof. Let's do it. I'll meet you in Batman. Alright, so here we are in Batman. I'm sitting at the loading screen right now. By default, I'd be at 30 frames right now. I know you can't see my frame counter because it's part of the recording software and it gets taken out as, I see it, but you guys don't see it basically. Right now I'm sitting at 72 frames. Let's go on and hop into the game and let's see what kind of frame rate we get. I wish I could show you the numbers, but I'll tell you them for sure. I'm at 71 right now, 72, 98, 108, 115, and about 115 is the highest frame rate I've hit. Let's take a look at the graphics settings so I can show you this. We're on all the highest graphics settings besides the NVIDIA specific things, simply because I don't want to get below the frame rate I'm at right now. I mean, I definitely don't want to dip below 60, so I may turn some of these on, but that's it guys. It's that simple to change your FPS, to bump it up. Again, I don't know why they capped it at 30 by default, but they did. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, if it helped you, please share it around with your friends so they can do the same. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment down below if this did help you, and I will see you in the next video. Have a safe and wonderful day, and be the Batman.